Hello, everyone! Get ready for a scary good time this Halloween with these simple, low-cost ways to make your home look heavenly. These ideas, like creepy lights and shadows that look like ghosts, will add just the right amount of dark and creepy. Here are 15 clever do-it-yourself Halloween decor hacks that will give your home a scary change in 2024. Make your own Halloween lanterns. Make scary lanterns out of plain mason jars. Cover the outside of the jar with white paint and use black markers to make ghostly faces on it. Because they use batteries, the tea lights inside these little lanterns will give off a creepy glow. These lanterns give your Halloween decor a fun and creepy feel. They're great for lining walkways or putting a scary touch on tables. Floating candles. Make a creepy atmosphere by making floating candles out of toilet paper rolls and tea lights that are driven by batteries. With hot glue, make some fake wax strips on the rolls and then put the tea light on top. With invisible thread, hang the candles from the roof to make it look like a haunted castle or Harry Potter-style floating lights. Spiderweb tablecloth. Set up your table for dinner. Get ready for Halloween by making your own spiderweb cover. To make it, you only need white yarn and black tulle or net. To make a web design, just stretch the net across the table and weave the yarn through it. For extra creepiness, add some plastic spiders. This easy do-it-yourself project gives Halloween feasts a really cool, scary touch. Balloon garland for the pumpkin. Instead of carving a pumpkin, make a fun pumpkin balloon decoration. Ink up jack-o'-lantern faces on orange balloons and string them with black and white balloons to make a difference. This hack can be used to make a background for a Halloween party that looks great on Instagram. And scary messages can be added to make it even better. Hanging ghosts. Hanging ghosts are a fun way to add a touch of scary magic. Some glue, cheesecloth, and small foam balls are what you'll need. Put cheesecloth over the foam balls and use a black pen to draw scary eyes on them. Trick-or-treaters will be amazed by how these ghosts look when you thread them to your door or tree branches and make it look like they're floating. Sticky window with a bloody handprint. Making bloody handprint window clings is a scary way to decorate your windows. Mix some corn syrup with red poster paint and dip your hands in it. Then, press your hands on a plastic sheet and let them dry. Cut the prints out and stick them to your windows after they are dry. These handprints look so real that they're sure to scare people. Scary crawly bug wall. Put a creepy crawly bug wall on your walls to make them scary. You can buy pre-made decals or use black paper to cut out different bug forms. Set them up so that they crawl up the wall near mirrors, light fixtures, or entrances. This easy hack makes it look like bugs are taking over, which is perfect for a scary Halloween mood. Glowing eyes in the bushes. Putting glowing eyes out of bushes in your yard will make it look more scary. Place the rolls inside of bushes or shrubs so the glowing eyes make it look like monsters are hiding in the dark, which is great for a Halloween party outside. Mirror effect with ghost. Make a spooky mirror that looks like it's haunted to scare your guests. Use gray paint to make smudges on an old mirror and then put a see-through, scary picture behind it. Put it somewhere poorly lit so that it casts a creepy shadow, giving your home decor a sense of mystery and horror. Potion bottles. Make a display of scary potion bottles out of old glass bottles. Use printed labels or chalk markers to give them names like Zombie Elixir or Witch's Brew. For a more real look, color the water in each bottle with food coloring. Set the mood for a scary show by putting them on a shelf or table to look like a witch's potion lab. Lighting for witch hats. Put battery-powered fairy lights inside black felt witch hats and hang them from the ceiling to make witch hat lights. This flying witch hat lighting setup makes entryways or party areas feel magical and adds a fun but creepy touch to your Halloween decorations. Broomstick front door. To make your front door look witchy, lean some old broomsticks against it or put them in a pot. Put up a sign that says "Witch Parking Only" to make it look even better. Making this quick DIY is a great way to set a scary mood that is also easy to do and friendly for guests. Decor with skeletal plants. Put small skulls or skeletons inside the pots of your houseplants to give them a scary look. Skeletons sticking out of plants give them a creepy look that turns your normal home decor into something scary. Ready for Halloween. These small details give it a scary, understated feel that's great for Halloween. Jack-o'-lantern wall art. If you don't want to make a mess with jack-o'-lanterns, you can make a gallery wall of them out of foam pumpkins or paper models. You can hang the pumpkins on the wall or put them on boxes and give each one a different face. This idea for decorating makes any room look fun and holiday-like. Gory candlesticks. Add some scare to your candlesticks by using red candle wax to make them look like blood is dripping from them. For a real bloody look, light a red candle and let the melted wax drip over white vases. You can put these on your mantle or dinner table to create a scary atmosphere. Conclusion: beautifully scary Halloween decorations don't have to be hard to make. With these do-it-yourself tips, you can turn your home into the best place for Halloween by creating a creepy but cute atmosphere that will wow your guests. These 2024 Halloween design ideas will help you embrace the scary and get creative. Have a fun and memorable season. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment.